Yo, what up guys, welcome to another brand new video on my channel. Today we're looking into Snapchat ads and specifically how you can create a lookalike audience. So for those who are familiar with Facebook, it's pretty simple. All we need to do is create a new audience, a custom audience. Here you can choose from website events, ad engagements, customer lists. We're going for website events, and here you have a list of all kind of events you can track from your Snapchat pixel. You can choose purchases, content viewed, add to cart. We are looking for view content, so let's get this to 30 days. Here you can apply like how many days you want the data to be valid. We're going for 30 days. So here you go, we've got a custom audiences. Now you can create a lookalike audience. All we need to do is select the custom audience we've just created, add some countries like you want to target, let's say Netherlands, United States, Belgium and UK, and then you can select lookalike type, and that's pretty simple. Choose between reach, balance and similarity. Similarity is like the 1 to 2% in Facebook, maybe 1 to 3. Balance is like the 5 and reach is 10. I'd like to give it a clean name. That's just how I do it. I would suggest to also make it this clean, and that's it. Now you can create your own ads. You have your own lookalike audiences. You will need to wait till it's ready, until it's populated. This will take a day or one. Thank you all for watching. Please leave a like if this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great one.